Welcome to this guided meditation for deep relaxation. I invite you to find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels most relaxing for you. Once you're ready, gently close your eyes and let's begin. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. There's no need to change your breathing, just observe it. Feel the air as it enters your nose, fills your lungs, and then softly leaves your body. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present in this moment, releasing any worries or thoughts about the past or future. Let your breath be your anchor, guiding you into a state of deep relaxation. Now, we'll begin a gentle body scan, starting at the top of your head and moving down to your toes. As I guide you through each part of your body, simply notice any sensations or areas of tension, and with each exhale, allow those areas to soften and relax. Bring your awareness to the top of your head, your forehead, your temples, and your eyes. Let your forehead smooth out and your eyes relax in their sockets. Let go of any tension in your jaw and allow your mouth to rest gently. Now, move your attention down to your neck and shoulders. If you feel any tightness here, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let that tension melt away. Feel your shoulders drop, becoming heavy and relaxed. Continue down to your arms, your elbows, your wrists, and your hands. Let each part of your arms become soft, warm, and relaxed. Now, bring your focus to your chest and your abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Imagine each breath bringing in relaxation and each exhale releasing tension. Move down to your hips, your thighs, your knees, and your legs. Allow these large muscles to release, feeling supported by the surface beneath you. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet. your toes, and the soles of your feet. With each exhale, let any remaining tension flow out through your feet, leaving your body completely relaxed. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful place, a place where you feel completely safe and at ease. This might be a secluded beach with soft, warm sand beneath you, or perhaps a quiet forest where you can hear the gentle rustle of leaves. Wherever this place is for you, allow yourself to fully immerse in the sensations around you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or the cool, gentle breeze against your face. Listen to the soothing sounds. Maybe it's the gentle waves of the ocean or the calm chirping of birds. Let yourself be fully present in this peaceful environment. As you continue to breathe, imagine that with each inhale, you're drawing in the peaceful energy of this place. With each exhale, you're releasing any remaining tension or stress, letting it dissolve into the surroundings. Now, as you rest in this place of deep relaxation, allow these affirmations to gently settle into your mind. You can silently repeat them to yourself. I am calm. I am at peace. My body is relaxed. My mind is at ease. I let go of all tension and stress. I am safe, I am centered, I am whole. Feel these words resonate within you, filling you with a sense of profound calm and tranquility. As we begin to close this meditation, start to bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the gentle rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Now, slowly start to bring awareness back to your body, feeling the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently waking up your body. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, returning fully to the present moment, carrying with you this sense of deep relaxation and peace. Now, as you gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, take a deep breath and remember the peace and relaxation you've cultivated during this meditation. If you found this session helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new meditation. Thank you for joining me on this journey to calmness and clarity. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your inner peace.